Merry Christmas, you Amel Jammers. It's my Amel Jam, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. What are you getting for Christmas? Leave a comment down below. What I wanted for Christmas is a pixie bell and a 3D pen. I do want to make a toy with the 3D pen. So there's Christmas furniture and Christmas clothes everywhere. And hey, do you want to see my winter palace? I'll show you. It's right there. Hey, that looks like from the tree from the Charlie Brown Christmas. I've seen that Christmas show when I was a little girl. All you can see is there's sleds. I think that might be a jet ski, a winter jet ski. You could ride with it and go crazy. So, oh, there's a chocolate factory. But if you pull the lever, look what happens. It goes quickly. Quickly, like Sonic the Hedgehog. Ha ha ha. Oh, and there is a snowball cannon. Watch this. Kabam! Goes the snowball. Do you want to see my Jamisode house? You'll find it. It's right there. Look how beautiful. So yummy. That looks so cool. And I love chocolate the best. But last year, Lana the llamacorn ate all my chocolates. It's kind of funny. But Lana mustn't not be a bad llamacorn girl. Okay? And it's quietly the best thing ever. So, I hope you guys have thanks for watching. Better like, subscribe, and comment. Goodbye, Jammers. Merry Christmas.